Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pete DeFazio here at Hawks Motorsports, and so today we thought we'd take an opportunity to show you a little bit about the door panels that we offer new. Now these are fully assembled here. However, when you buy them, you're going to be buying just basically the door panel itself, which is going to be this here, and then this top plate with the weather seal can also be purchased from us as well. That's a Hawks Reproduction part. Now, if you look at the back side of the door panel, what you see is you have all these things that are cut out. And when you buy the door panel and it arrives to you, what you're going to find is these things aren't cut out, but they are pre-stamped. What I mean by that is, if we scoot that down here and you can get a little idea of that. You see how that's perforated there? That would be for a manual window crank car. And in that case, what you would do is you would take a trim knife. Now, if you were a manual trim car, you would just come in and you see slide right in and trim that right out. And as you came across, that would pop right out then. You'll see there's also perforations for a speaker cover there. Now, this is the 82 FD. It's going to be the black door panel. And this one comes with this double stitched, and it's an electronically sealed stitch seam line on it with your verticals. There's no carpet on this style. You can find these on the website. They run about $200, $207. Now, if you want to add this upper trim plate new, and these were always prone to breaking, the GM units, it's going to come with a new weather seal, as you can see right in here. And that attaches to the back of the door panel through a series of studs and push tabs. The stud comes through, you pop this on top, push down, and it pops it down and locks it into place. Now you see here we left a vinyl trim clip so you can see. You're going to have vinyl trim clips that are going to go all the way around the perimeter. And I can show you a little better on this door panel here. Here's our passenger side. If we spin her around, whoop, voila. You'll have these come all the way down and around. Now we do offer these new, and you can buy those on the website. Now another thing I want to show you today is ways for you to protect your investment. Now a lot of times one of the issues with these from GM is there really wasn't much of a moisture barrier protection, and that's something that OER has created a product to help eliminate. What you're going to get are these rubber strips that were set for the car, and they line up over the holes, as you can see. Your vinyl clip is going to go down into the hole, and then it will protrude out here. So this will lip right onto the lower end of the door, and this prevents moisture and water coming in from the underside of the car. And when you're driving at highway speeds, moisture can come up and through that door opening and get into this area, and that's what creates a lot of moisture and damage. All right, now these are available. You can get those at hawksmotorsports.com, and our part number is going to be 101-25220, and that is listed in the 82 to 92 Camaro or Firebird door panels and component section under door bottom weather seals. And you'll need 2 per car. Now these door panels, if that's something that catches your eye, these are part number 82 FD70, and that's in black. This is the all vinyl and the Sierra grain with dupla stitch on the vertical and the double horizontals. These are available in a variety of colors, of course. Also, we do offer a variety of both new and replacement reproduction trim panels for your car, including, the armrests. You'll find in a variety of colors. Also the trim panels, and for all the different options like power lock, the power lock plates. So, basically in closing today, folks, we just wanted to let you see when you get your door panels home, you're going to be doing some little trimming, but they're all prefabbed little spots that you trim out. There's nothing here that you have to guesstimate. Everything is set where it should be properly from the factory. So as you trim out these little nylon trim holes, you're not going to have any problems when you line it up to the door. Also things like the rubber lower weather seal guards that are available, and we do offer a full panel plastic insert to go between the door and the door panel as a moisture barrier. You can find all these different products at hawksmotorsports.com. And once again, we appreciate you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.